welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm gonna make this beautiful cute baby boy doll, and it's only made with paper. So I was getting a lot of requests after I made a recent video on Chelsea, so this is a part 2 of that video, you can see. So let's get started. So as you can see, I'm taking these newspaper and I'll make just the stripe over here, then I'll just fold it. It's the same procedure as I made Chelsea, because it is just the same as the doll, the difference is that was a female doll and this is a male doll. So now I'll just take the newspaper, cut it into half and then make a triangle. These are the, you can say, measurements of the boy doll which I'm gonna make, so you can make according to yourself as well. Then over here I'll just make 2 holes and put these legs over here. Then over here I'll just cut these parts and put the hands as well on both of the sides after making the holes. Alright, so once it's done, I'll make another coiling out of white card paper. Then I'll take some newspaper and I'll just crush it. Then I'll just put some glue and stick it with this so that I can make the face easily. Now I'll take my clay as usual and I'll start applying clay on the face. So you are gonna keep it just simple and plain. You don't have to do anything. You just have to make a nose and the ears with clay. Otherwise the full face will be plain. You can just make the eyes and lips and whatever you want with the paint afterwards. So once that is done, I'll make the body as well. I'll put some clay for the feet. So these will be the shoes, the ready-made shoes. You don't have to make it afterwards and then stick it. So this is a very easy way you can do it. Then you have to make the palms. So for that I've taken white card paper and I'll just cut these fingers as well. Now I'll stick on both of the hands. So after that is done, I'll take another piece of coiling and I'll put the newspaper on top of it. Then I'll place it over here for it to be more specific, and this as you can see, it's easily movable. So once that is done, I'll apply the head to the body, and this is what it looks right now. You can just keep it for 6 to 8 hours for the clay to get dried. It's tissue paper clay, it's very easy guys. Just some tissue paper, glue and little bit of water, and that's it. Once it's nice and dry, you can start painting it. So for that I'm using the skin colored acrylic paint over here. And I'll paint the body completely with this paint. Then on the head I'll paint a slight dark brown color just to give that effect of the hairs, which we'll do after the paint is nice and dry. Then I'll make the facial expressions as well, the beautiful big eyes and the lips. Once that is done, let's move on to the dress up. So over here for the shirt inside, what I'll do is that I'll take a blue colored fabric and I'll just cut it out like this. So this tutorial is very easy. These clothes are very easy. So make sure you follow my tutorial step by step so that you can make your own at home. And this way you can make more of the clothes for him. So now you just take fabric glue and stick it. You don't even have to use needle and thread. Now you just have to make him wear it. So I'm going from the legs. Alright, so this is how he looks right now. So once the corners are nice and stuck, as you can see, this is how he looks right now. Now I've written FunX on top of his t-shirt. You can use any kind of doodle, designs or anything you want. I have written my brand name. Now I'll just start making the shorts. So for that I've taken this beautiful bright yellow colored fabric and I'll take 2 cutouts in the same shape. Then I'll just stick it using my fabric glue as well. After I do that, I'll give a slight cut on the sides and then make him wear this as well. So just because he is a baby boy, so I'm giving him half pants. You can also use any kind of design for the dress. You can also use full pants instead if you want. Then over here, I'll just take these you can say pockets over here for the shorts to be completed. Then let's make a jacket type of shirt, and for that over here I've taken this beautiful printed fabric and then I'll just cut it over here. So as you can see, I've kept these 2 beautiful shapes. Now I'll just make the sleeves as well. So for that I'll take the same cutout out of the same fabric. So this is how it looks right now. Now after I'm done with that, I'll start sticking it. So once that is done, I'll stick the collar as well. Now over here on the sleeves, I'll stick these stripes as well so that it can give me a folded look. Once that is done, I'll stick on the sides and then I'll make him wear this. Okay, so guys, this is what it looks right now, as you can see. Now let's paint the socks and the shoes as well. So the socks will be white and the shoes will be black in color. Once it's nice and dry, now let's start making the hairs. So for that I'm using my usual technique which I use for hairs. If you want to go and see how I make this in complete detail, you can go and check that out. I have quite a few videos on my channel already. Then I'll just take this silk thread in this color and then I'll just roll it on top of a cardboard, cut it out, stick it from one side and start sticking it to the boy's head. So I'll fold it all the way to the back and then stick this part on top of the head, then give him a nice hair cutting basically. So now as you can see, he is completely ready guys, and isn't he super adorable? I just loved him. So guys, if you like this video, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye. This video recently on my channel, so if you want to watch this you can go and check that out as well.